Hi guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make 3 things, which are Vietnamese grilled chicken, sweet and sour carrot and daikon radish pickles, spicy and sour Vietnamese fish sauce. First, let's make carrot and daikon radish pickles. Cut carrots in julienne strips. Slice a radish and cut into julienne strips also. Combine carrot and radish strips in a bowl. Sprinkle salt, 2 teaspoons, and mix. Leave it for 10 minutes until softened. In a saucepan, combine sugar, vinegar, water, and bring to a boil. Pour boiling vinegar mixture over salted carrot and daikon radish. Now let's make Vietnamese grilled chicken. Sprinkle some pepper and mix thoroughly with your hand. Marinate for 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. While waiting, let's make Vietnamese dipping sauce. Combine minced garlic and chopped chili peppers in a bowl. Add either lime juice or lemon juice or both. Pour some oil into a frying pan and grill marinated chicken. Boil rice noodles for 3 minutes. Rinse in cold water and drain the water using a strainer. Crush and chop peanuts with a knife. Top it with crushed peanuts. Enjoy!